Holy smokes, guys, we have a kitty alert. Do you see her? Look at that kitty. Oh my goodness, it looks like Suzu. Hey guys, running Kimono here. So I did go to Walgreens and tried to make a deal come together, and I did have more issues. I know a lot of you know by now there was some sort of internet outage where like some sort of major company that deals with like a ton of, you know, they service the internet to like Amazon, Netflix. They were completely down for a bunch of hours this morning, and it just caused a lot of problems. Around 4 o'clock, a couple people were saying, oh, register rewards are printing again. I went to my store and that was not the case with the little Old Spice deal. But you know what? I have a very nice manager at my store, and she made it right. And she's like, she just threw the points on my store card. And then I just found a clearance item, did the little Cottonelle deal, and found one of those cuties for $2.99 on just a regular price with the back to school stuff. But I could not help myself. So we're gonna talk about Walgreens right off the bat. I would still recommend to wait till Monday because I went early and I got my hand stuck in the door, but still, again, very nice manager who made it like perfect for me. And then over at Rite Aid, my God, I was totally out of control today. We're talking 75% off of a 3-pound bag of Dr. Teal's salt. If you are into fanciness and bathing and you have a Rite Aid, this is a deal you're gonna wanna do. So we're gonna talk about that in a second. We have money-making toothpaste, free candy, for 19-cent hauls. I mean, Rite Aid is on point. And then over at Meijer, I found some clearance macaroni and cheese, really inexpensive rice, and free Del Monte. I'll show you that deal at the end because I know not everybody shops at Meijer. Okay, weather report for you guys. You know, kind of a warm one today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. And like the video I made this morning, guys, I know it was all over the place and I was like, you know, just all excited and stuff. But so the best thing to do when everything's going sideways and you can't load any of your coupons and you restart your phone 18 times and things are just not working out for you is to stay home, because there might be an issue. And there was that big internet outage. So it wasn't me, it wasn't you, it was like a whole bunch of stuff. So we are going to just go through these deals bit by bit. So the first little deal that I have is this, and I used 100% digital coupons to go with this. So as you guys know, I had that booster, which was 5,000 points when I spend 20, which was a digital. And then also there is a $5.49 off of 2, and it's either for the dry sprays. This is not a dry spray, this is a body spray. It's for the, pretend that's dry spray. It's either for the dry spray or the body wash. So what I did, guys, was I grabbed 2 of these body washes, and that $5.49 coupon came off. And then there was $1 off 2 digital for the Old Spice deodorant. You could either get the bars of deodorant or the body spray. It was attaching to that too. So looking at the math for all of this goodness, these are all 2 for $11, so that's $22 for the 4 products. I had my 5,000 when you spend 20, that loaded to my store card. Plus I had $6.49 of coupons. $5.49 for these 2, $1 for these 2. So I had to pay $15.51 cash out of pocket, and that does not include my tax. And then I got back 5,000 points for this basket as I spent $20. However, my $4 register reward did not print, and I tried this around 5 o'clock this afternoon. So the manager just threw 4,000 points onto my store card, which was super nice. I would wait till Monday to do this deal. And it basically shakes this out after everything is said and done to $6.51 for the 4 items, or $1.62 each. Not too shabby. I know that it would have been a lot better to use 2 of those BOGO Freeze, but that is for the dry spray. It's not for this body spray, and I just did not want any trouble at the store, and the manager made it right. And even so, guys, like the register reward didn't print, and I didn't want any trouble, so this worked out well. I'm gonna definitely photograph my receipt too to G website to get points for stuff, because this was a pretty significant purchase of P&G products today. And I'm very delighted with this. So that was my little haul. I am not doing Tide either this week, guys, because my Tide digitals did not show up. Will they show up later in the week? Possibly, maybe, but it's kind of a crapshoot of what is and is not showing up. So just take it in stride, and I decided to go with the Old Spice deal. This guy was just a little clearance find. It is these splashers. It's like a diaper, and I have a niece who's learning how to swim, or they take her out in the pool all the time, so I thought, you know, I would just grab one of these because I texted my sister-in-law. I'm like, hey, do you want some of these? And she's like, yeah. So these are just like a diaper that you can, you know, put in the tub with your toddler. So this guy was originally $9.99, and it was down to $1.49. So what a great deal that is. I think this is really the deal of the week on the Cottonelle. These guys are $5.99 a piece. They're usually like 2 for $16. They're like $8 or $9 for one. I mean, you're getting a ton of toilet paper. This is fanciness. They're $5.99 this week. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $11.98. I used 10,000 points and paid $1.98 plus tax. And I mean, that's just a fantastic price point for Cottonelle. And the last thing that I found was in the back to school section. I'm not sure if you guys are kind of like me, but I really have a huge issue with the Walmart hand sanitizer. This stuff, however, doesn't have much of an odor to it, so I can use it. But the Walmart stuff, the newer stuff that they released, it is god-awful. But this is really nice. This is $2.99, and I basically used $3 in points and just paid down the tax. And between my husband and I, like every 2 weeks, we're going through 8 ounces of this in our car. So, I mean, that is quite a bit. And this is just a really nice one, and it doesn't have a very heavy scent, so I can use this all day. So anyhow, Walgreens was a little bit challenging, but I'm happy with it. And a little birdie told me in the store that tomorrow your store will either hit 50% on the summer, like, you know, pool outdoor fun stuff, or 75. A lot of stores have already hit 90. Always your mileage may vary, so it doesn't hurt to go and check it out. But yeah, that's the scoop. Okay, so over at Rite Aid, my gosh, some good deals there this week. So these are 3-pound bags of bath salts. So if you like to take fancy baths, my goodness gracious, 75% off. So it went from $7.29 down to $1.82. There is a promotion with this that if you buy $10 of this, you will get back $4 of bonus cash. I am 90 cents short, so hopefully I can reach that in the next, you know, if I can find one more of these on clearance at a different store, I'll get my $4, or I'll just buy something from the Dr. Teal's line. So these guys are, this is the pink Himalayan salt for $1.82. I got 2 of these. Activated charcoal with Hawaiian black lava salt. I mean, how nice. Even give these for Christmas gift. I mean, that would be the nicest gift ever. And then we have the pure Epsom salt, which is the ginger and clay. I've tried these 2 before, love them. I love taking really nice baths. And to get all of these, I just used some bonus cash. And even if I wasn't getting anything back, you're usually paying $5 or $6 for one of these at like a Meijer or even like a Walgreens. So to pay $1.82, I mean, that's just a phenomenal price. two deals I did over 2 store cards, both mine and my husband's, and this is just a freebie. So the Crest toothpaste, these guys are $3 each. So buying 2 of them, that is $6. We have a 3 off of 2 digital that showed up this morning. So you'll pay 3 out of pocket, get back $4 of bonus cash. The weekly deal for this is when you buy 1 of these, you get back $2. So times 2 is $4. So it makes it free plus a $1 money maker, and you can do this like get 2 per store card. So after you pick up 2, you are done. But what a great deal. They have both a 3 off of 2 and a $1 coupon. Only load that 3 off of 2 coupon. And I did it both on mine and my husband's store card. We have these little Russell Stouffer's Halloween candies. They are 2 for $1. And you would pay that $1 out of pocket, get back $1 of bonus cash, making it free. And you could do this once per store card. So I did this on mine and my husband's store card. Another really great deal on these Halls cough drops. I've been finding them at a lot of different stores for this price point. So these guys are 69 cents each. So for 2 of them, that's $1.38. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. If you might have loaded that one last week, you're gonna pay 38 cents for the 2 bags, making it 19 cents each. Like, that is a really killer price. Okay, and the final store that we have is Meijer. This is the first deal that we're going to talk about with these Del Monte fruit cups. So the first one's called Bubble Fruit. You're going to have to pick up 3 of these. This is pomegranate berry. It just looks very girly. I like that. And then 2 of these mixed fruits. So these are part of a buy 5, save 5. So as you can see, we have 5 of them all together, and they're $2.09. So that's a total right there, guys, of $10.45. Buy 5, save 5. $5 gets shaved off immediately. And then there are 50-cent printables found on the Del Monte website. You'll print 2 of them for the bubble fruit, and then $1 off 2 for the mixed fruit, subtracting another $2. You're left with paying $3.45 out of pocket. Ibotta will give you back 75 cents for each of these, and 75 cents for buying 2, plus a 50-cent bonus, making this free, plus a 5-cent money maker. Phenomenal deal. And this is a great little snack for back to school. Special shout out to Nerdy Birdie 99. She presented this deal to me yesterday on Instagram, and she's quite the Meijer shopper, so greatly appreciated. I know a lot of you will go and do this deal. I also heard over on my Instagram too that at Publix and Stop and Shop, a lot of you were getting a similar deal with the Del Monte coupons and Ibotta and some sort of like buy 5, save 5. So figure it out, guys. I mean, there's nothing better than free like fruit cups. I mean, I think that's just phenomenal. This little deal that I have is on these Royale. It's a pre-cooked bag of rice. I love chicken tikka masala, so this is fantastic. These guys are $1.99. Ibotta has a $1.75 rebate, making it 24 cents. The limit you can do this is 2, so I got 2 bags of the tikka masala rice. And this is kind of an interesting little clearance find. These macaroni and cheeses were 75 cents, and they are 50% off, so they were selling them for 37 cents. So I grabbed 10 of them. I thought this would make a really quick and easy lunch for my husband any day, and he loves mac and cheese. The expiry date for this is next year, next October. So I thought between now and then he can, you know, it's generic, but I think that he'll definitely be able to use a lot of this. You know, at the beginning of the pandemic, lots of companies were rushing to make a lot more mac and cheese, this sort of comfort food, and I just think this is not selling, so they're trying to liquidate all of it. So I'm like, I'll take 10. So I was happy about that. So that was Meijer, like some pretty sensible and reasonable little deals. So anyhow, guys, as always, good luck out there, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.